does not need to be out here. RJ just said it's taking shit off the house right now as we speak.
Yep. And that's it.
There's no debris, Mom.
Josh, watch this big gust of wind that's about to
This
hit.
right here is what's scary. This right here we need to get away from, you guys.
Well,
That's
you're
what's
in the car
coming.
seat and everything's ready.
Let's go. Let's get in the truck. Come on, right now. Get Praven in there. Right here's what you're scared at right here. I'm telling you now, you want to get inside right now. That's what you're scared of right there, Buck. If that drops down on you, you're done. Yeah.
I'm gonna go chase it. I don't
Well, let's go chase it. Get in the car.
Here comes the wind. Here comes the wind.
Uh-oh.
What's power line?
Watch those power lines. They'll kill you.
Let's go.
Hurry up. Get him in here, Buck.